It's time to go under the roof with Jim and Rob, the home improvement show, presented by Eaton Ace Hardware. Whether it's new construction, remodeling, renovation, or maintenance, Jim and Rob are here to help.
We have in the studio the owner of one of the newest manufacturing facilities in town. Did you know that?
Yeah, right here in Manchester.
Right here in Manchester.
A new manufacturing plant that is opening.
Yes, and they produce
getting underway.
30 seconds cleaners.
30 seconds
30 seconds. Now it's plural, 30 seconds. And we have James Collier. James, welcome to the show. Now, James, you are not new to the manufacturing industry, are you?
No.
Tell us a little bit about your background and then tell us how your company's evolved through here.
Right. The family business has been going since 1977, and it originates out of the Pacific Northwest in Portland, Oregon. And it's been a family business, family run, family operated since then. And we still are today. My wife and I run the company and just growing within our means. And our means has brought us to Manchester.
Yeah, right. Now, James, you evolved. Now, you and your wife actually started in New Zealand.
New
Is that
Zealand,
not
that's
correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep,
and then you came, and this was a family business that you guys purchased that was part of your family before.
Correct.
Is that not
yeah.
correct? Okay.
Jill's dad's the original founder of the company at retail. Prior to that, it was a commercial company going back to the 50s.
Okay.
And Jill's dad put it into retail, and Jill and I, after we got married, ended up down in New Zealand, and we decided to, get into the family business down under, and we built it to a household name and got to a point where Jill's dad was ready to retire, and we had young kids, so we wanted to be closer to family, moved back to the Pacific Northwest, and took over the family business, and been building it for the last 16 years, basically west of here, and 4 or 5 years ago we came east of the Mississippi, which has led us to Manchester.
Cool. That's cool.
Which just happens to be right in the middle of the east of the Mississippi
Absolutely.
part. So.
In the middle.
Good for
it's a
distribution.
crisscross. There was a big influence for that.
Good.
Okay.
So, James, you guys are out in the industrial park.
Yes.
Correct. Filling machines in there, and it's fully operational today. And 30 seconds is designed for cleaning exterior buildings and hard surfaces, and what it does is what a pressure washer will do without damaging the surface. You just mix the solution in a tank sprayer or backpack sprayer, saturate the surface that you wish to clean, siding, gutters, fences, decks, walks, you name it, and then just rinse it off with a garden hose. So very easy to use product that makes those jobs quick and easy with an instant result.
Stop and repeat that.
Yeah.
Put that on, and how does it come off now?
You just rinse it off with a hose.
That is
That's it.
cool.
So no pressure washer.
No pressure
rinsing.
washing. So the way the product works is the mold, you spray it on when the surfaces are dry. Mold absorbs the product and emulsifies the growth to the consistency that you can rinse off with a hose.
Okay.
And just spray it on and rinse it off, and we all know where a good place is to buy it too.
At Eaton Ace Hardware, we
So
just happened to
you
stock
guys are now
30 seconds.
you guys are now the retail point to get this product, right?
in Manchester.
In
yes.
Manchester,
At
yes.
least at the
Cool.
moment, until
So
the
cool.
secret gets out.
Yes.
Well, right now we'll just say that's the only place. To
There
get
we
it,
go.
'cause
I
it
like
is.
that.
Yep.
So, James, you mentioned, you can clean your house with this, but you mentioned something about like decks. People that have wooden decks, they get nasty looking. It's safe for that too.
Yes,
So you can use it on
definitely.
wood.
Yep, if you're doing a wooden surface, you follow the directions under wood. Concrete, the same principle.
Concrete, like if your concrete driveway is
Absolutely.
looking gross.
Yep. On a wooden deck, we tell you to saturate the surface evenly, brush it with the grain, because a lot of tramping dirt settles on the flat surfaces, so you get rid of everything's on there, and then rinse it off with a hose. And the reason behind the brushing is that you don't want to be restaining on anything residual in the crevices of the wood.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.